What's going on? Welcome to our channel, Naughty Life. My name is Alex and my wife Jill and I do fishing and boating videos, everything to do on the water here in Southwest Florida. And today we're doing a quick video tutorial on the non-slip loop knot. Now the non-slip loop knot is a super versatile knot to tie, and it's especially useful when you're using live bait and you want a little bit of play in the line so that bait can swim a little bit more freely. It's also very useful when using different types of artificial bait like a topwater, where you don't want the actual knot to be cinched down on the eye of the hook or onto that lure. Now this knot's a little bit more complicated than some of the other knots, but after you practice it a little bit, it becomes almost second nature. As always, we'll be using oversized hooks and 80-pound high-vis braid for demonstration purposes only. In most saltwater situations, you're going to be using some type of mono or fluorocarbon leader line. If you're interested in learning when and why we use leader line, we'll link our full beginner fishing knot video in the description box below. We went into detail on when and why to use leader line in that video. With that being said, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free for you to do, helps the channel out a ton. And with that, let's learn how to tie the non-slip loop knot.
So with this, we're gonna start by actually tying just a simple overhand knot on our main line. So it'll look something just like that. Then we'll take the tag end and come through the eye of the hook. Once we've come through there, you're gonna take your tag end, come up through the bottom of this loop and pull that loop all the way down to the eye of the hook. Now, it's easiest if you pinch this loop here with your left hand, just because it'll prevent it from slipping. Next, you're gonna wrap your tag end around your main line about 2 to 3 times. And then lastly, you'll take your tag end and come through the top of that loop that you created. Now what that's going to do is when you cinch this knot down, is it's going to cause the knot to cinch down further up on the line and not on the eye of the hook. So if you look, you've got this nice loop which allows this hook and this fish to move around a little bit more freely. Now one way to know that you've tied this knot correctly is that your tag end will actually be going in the direction towards the hook, which is important because if you're fishing any seagrass or near any seaweed, by having this tag end going down towards the hook, it's going to give you a lot less of a chance of getting caught down in the weeds.
All right, y'all, well, we hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider giving us a like as well as subscribing. Again, it's totally free for you to do. It helps us reach a wider audience. And we've got lots of cool stuff coming up. We've got more fishing tips, tricks, knot videos, on the water content, subscriber giveaways, just a ton of cool stuff that is coming down the pipeline. So if you'd like to be a part of it, we hope you'll subscribe. With that being said, life's short, live naughty. We'll catch you in the next one.